So hi there once again. Today we are going to use our protractor in measuring these angles. So the last time I taught you what the parts of the protractors are and how to use it properly. So this time will just be more examples on how to use a protractor in measuring angles. So first, angle DGB. You have to find first where that angle is. So that's DGB. Meaning we are going to measure this angle right here. Okay? And following the steps that I taught you last time, we have to know first, is this angle here, DGB, acute, right, or obtuse? As you can see, it is an acute angle. So that's a good way to estimate. Now, you have to make sure that your measurement should be less than 90 degrees for it to be correct. So let's now use our protractor. So again, align the center mark with the vertex G. And the baseline with any of the leg. This time I'll use the leg GB. Now that it's properly aligned, you can now start measuring. So what scale am I going to use? Where's the 0? As you can see, the 0 is right here in the inner scale. So we have to use the inner scale, and that's 50, but it's not exactly 50, it's actually 1 degree after 50. So angle DGB is 51 degrees. Okay. Now, how about angle AGD? So let's try angle AGD. Where's that angle? So AGD is right there. So we are going to measure this angle here. So again, place your protractors properly. Vertex with the center mark. And then baseline with any of the legs. So this time I'll try using the leg GD. And then what scale am I going to use? Again, leg GD is right here. So the 0 is in the inner scale. So that would now be 130 degrees. Okay, so 130 degrees. Alright, so let's have one last angle. So the angle BGC. So angle BGC. Okay. Angle BGC is right here, BGC. So try estimating first. Look at the angle. So I'll cover this. Look at the angle. Does it look right, acute, or obtuse? So this one is actually bigger than a right angle, so it is an obtuse angle. So you should expect that your measurement is more than 90 degrees. So let's now use our protractor for that. So this time, let me align on leg GB. So aligning on leg GB, and just make sure that your vertex is also underneath your center mark. There you go. And then the baseline. So you can see my baseline is aligned because you can clearly see that the 0 here and the 80 line here can barely be seen. Okay, now you can start measuring. What scale am I going to use? Again, it's the 0 is right here. Sorry, so that would mean that I am going to use the outer scale. Alright, so the outer scale, and that would be up until there, 130 degrees. Okay, 130 degrees. Alright, so that's it. I hope you learned something today on how to use your protractor in measuring angles.